Full name of Abdul Kalam was
This call is now being recorded.
Aul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. He is commonly referred as APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram. His father name is Jainulabdin and mother's name is Ashiyama. Now I will tell you about his child life. He was born in a middle class family. His mother tongue was Tamil. His family relates to the Muslim religion. In his childhood, he used to read Hindu holy book. He also used to write poems in Tamil. He also used to play veena in his childhood. Financial position of his family was not strong to support, so he completed his secondary education at Swartz School. After that, he completed his BSc degree at St. Joseph's College. After taking that BSc degree, he shifted towards diploma with a specialization of aeronautical engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. As we know that Abdul Kalam is also called as a missile man. After completing his diploma, he joined HAL. The full form of HAL is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company headquartered in Bangalore. It is governed under the management of Indian Ministry of Defense. He puts his entire efforts for the development of Indian space rocket technology. In India, he is highly respected as a scientist and as an engineer. Now we will talk about his struggle time in his life. When after joining HAL, he shifted towards the ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. In ISRO, he tried to launch SLV third for the first time, and he get a fail. He own SLV means satellite launch vehicle. It is a small lift launch vehicle project started in early of 1970s by Indian Space Research Organization. He owned the responsibility of failure of that project, but finally, after some years, 1 or 2 years, he achieved success in the next time. He was APJ Abdul Kalam was 11th president of India. He took oath as a president of India on July 25th, 2002. He gracefully turned away from his offices on 24th July 2007. In his whole life, he got so much rewards or awards. The I will tell you some of them. First, he got a Padma Bhushan award in 1981. After that, he got a Padma Vibhushan award in 1990. After Padma Vibhushan award, he got Bharat Ratna in 1997. He was the first Asian to be honored with a Howard Medal in 2009. Honorary doctorates from about 30 universities globally. UNO has declared that birthday of APJ Abdul Kalam will be celebrated as a World Students Day. Greatness of Kalam. He was a versatile person. He was also well recognized by the world. Uh, Nowadays, also and before also, he was a role model and a mentor of so many people in the world. He follows some rules in his life. Following are the rules which he had followed in his life. First, strict personal discipline. Second, he was a vegetarian. Third, teetotalism. It means that he never in his life he never con- consumption of allow the consumption of alcoholic beverages to the people and along with him. After that, he also follows the celibacy. Celibacy means he take oath that he will remain unmarried in his whole life. Now I will tell you the books written by APJ Abdul Kalam. He loves Tamil poetry. He written poems in Tamil, and he had also written books like Ignited Minds, Wings of Fire, India 2020, etc. APJ Abdul Kalam always used to tell that India has people of high caliber and intelligence. Uh, he also used to talk that India requires overall development for becoming a developed nation. Now I will tell you some leadership qualities of APJ Abdul Kalam. First, vision and global thinking. He was also value driven. He had a long persistent and he has a quality of not giving up. He's he also has a leadership quality of integrating ability, and he in his life he always learn from his mistakes. Now I will share some thoughts of APJ Abdul Kalam with you. He one of that thoughts is success is when your signature changes to autograph. Thank you, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
हॅलो.
हॅलो मॅम, आवाज येत होता माझा?
हॅलो सुजाता मॅम.
Yes, yes, you are audible.